Guys, papunta na ako ng ng Dubai Mall para bumili ng iMac 27 inches. This is Alriga Station. Sa Dubai Mall, ito yung pinakamalaking Nike shop sa buong mundo. Mapapansin nyo, sobrang laki. Sapatos. Meron pa sa kabilang dulo doon sa likod. Maya na ito, tapos na ito, punta ako ng Apple to buy iMac. Kita ko na. Ayan o. Ito tayo doon. Tulog ko din nila. Dubai Mall. Lapit-lapit na. Yung Apple Store. This is 21-inch small version. This is 27-inch big version. Yung pinakamahal. Yun yung bago, yun yung Pro. Pero anyway, wala naman sila gaano pinagkaiba. Wala remote control there. I thought this is mine already, but that's for another customer. Now I chose this keyboard. This is the one I chose with numbers. You have to add 110 dirhams. So this one and that one including in the box. But I upgraded my keyboard, MADI keyboard. There's no 3-in-1.
Sorry?
3-in-1 AirPods.
We still don't have that one. It's called the AirPod. We still don't have it.
Yeah, why?
I don't know. It's still not launched by Apple.
Here's the one I like, but 3-in-1. Pagpanang sa akin. How many minutes still? 2 minutes more. 2 minutes. Okay. Basahin ka na rin. Basahin ka na rin. Ito maliit. But I don't like it. I like the biggest one. Punso, Ate Christy. Ayun yung box niya, ito binabalot. Order na yung isa. Ito, bumili na. Inaon na sa akin. Ayan, yung box niya. So, diba? Coming now. I think that is fine. That's mine?
Yes.
Thank you. This is mine. This is mine. Oh, this is mine.
This one. I want to scan this. Yes, mine.
Yeah, no problem. I just want the fan.
It's gonna be all good. One week now is
again? How much again?
So next time also if you want to
How many kg this one?
it's
Around 10. And we can try here, right? Just push the button, start. My iMac is running away. Grabe, laki ng iMac. Ano ito? Apple store. Where is? It disappeared. Okay, it's here.
Coding. Do you or has any of you done coding before? Raise your hands. Okay, we've got some folks in the house who have done coding many times before. Okay, who wants to tell me in one sentence what coding is? Yusuf. Okay, so what he said is if you want some object to do something for you, correct? You guys agree? Do you guys agree with the definition? Give me a thumbs up if you do. Thumbs up. Alright. Cool. Awesome. Do we know why we've got these mazes over here? Yes. Alright. Super. So we're gonna use your robot to complete the maze today. Correct? Alright, cool. Has anybody, you know how to use it already? Perfect. So we're going to be teamed up with a few people. You have it in the school. Awesome. So you guys are going to be champions, right? Alright, cool. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys on that screen over there how to use your Sphero robot. And after that, I'm going to split you guys up into groups. Yes. Okay, so how many of us are we today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so there are 12 of us. We've got 4 mazes. I'm going to split you up into groups of 3. Okay? So we've already got one group over here, correct? YouTubers, you want to be together? Alright, YouTubers, you want to be together? We've got 3 YouTubers, right? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I want you guys to come together. Okay, we're gonna mix and match, don't worry. We're gonna make some new friends today, right? Mix and match. Okay, so we're down to 3, so that's 9. Okay, let's do it in pairs then, okay? So you can be back. You guys are together.
this one. There's the power button. It's up here.
Oh,
So you
guys
power this
want to
one.
do it together? Compete? Yeah. You want to compete? Against the... Okay, cool. So then you and Jason are going to be together. How about that? Yeah? Jason's right there. Okay, cool. You guys have a seat here.
Now what you wanna
Do you want to be with your brother or against your brother? Together? Against. Okay, it says against. He wants to compete today. All right. So Yusuf, you wanna join Lucas here?
You can set it up.
Yeah. All right. Cool. And Nika and my new friend Dina, right? Okay. You guys are together?
So I'm gonna leave it with you. If you need any help, just let me know. Okay.
Thank you.
We're gonna push you with one part. All right, come. So we're gonna put in tag to this in there as well. All right. So the 3 of you guys, 2 and 2. Okay. The first thing you need to do is I want you guys to think of a team name. All right. Think of a team name. I want you guys to discuss amongst yourselves and think of a team name. And while we do that, let's get connected. Thank you. You guys have your team names? Alright, before you start, just be careful. I don't want you to run around because you might slip, so please do not run. Okay? Be careful. That's it. So, Farah and me are now going to give you guys some iPads and you're going to start coding. Alright? Perfect. Okay. Big screen. You guys understand that? Alright, go for it.
At least I can remember you.
Okay. Does everybody have a set? Okay, you guys are good to go. Okay.
Secure, huh?
Because
Okay.
this one here, it's super protected.
Okay, thank you.